of the tree of life. Oh, oh. Standing firm against the stormy wind, where the healing of the soul begins. Heavy sub-bass groaning every nerve, giving thanks for blessings we deserve. No digital noise, no false parade, just pure dub vibrations, Jaja made. Can you feel the heavy vibration drop? Lifting the spirit to the top. Roots of the tree of life, growing so deep. Promises of spiritual healing we keep. Let the heavy sub-bass settle in your chest, giving your weary soul a sacred rest. Oh, 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 a sacred rest. Cool river flowing through the forest shade, in a the sanctuary jam music made. Every tape delay whispering a truth, restoring the vigor of the spiritual youth. Vibrations clearing out the heavy space, finding true alignment in a sacred place. Oh, can you feel the heavy vibration drop? Lifting the spirit to the top. Plant your feet down in this sacred ground. Listen close to the spiritual sound. Roots of the tree of life unbound. Standing firm against the stormy wind, where the healing of the soul begins. Heavy sub-bass grounding every nerve, giving thanks for blessings we deserve. No digital noise, no false parade, just pure dove vibrations Jaja made. Can you feel the heavy vibration drop, lifting the spirit to the top? Roots of the tree of life, growing so deep. Promises of spiritual healing we keep. Let the heavy sub-bass settle in your chest, giving your weary soul a sacred rest. Shading of the sanctuary, jam music made. Every tape delay, whispering a truth, restoring the vigor of the spiritual youth. Vibrations clearing out the heavy space, finding true alignment in a sacred place. Can you feel the heavy vibration drop, lifting the spirit to the top? Roots of the tree of life, growing so deep. Promises of spiritual healing we keep. Let the heavy sub-bass settle in your chest, giving your weary soul a sacred rest. Unbind your thoughts, let them drift away. Welcome to a brighter, clearer day.